Hello, this is Space News with Julia. Following a competition, the European Space Agency has selected the industrial team that will design and build the first experimental payload to extract oxygen from the surface of the Moon. The winning consortium, led by Thales-led Space, has been tasked with producing a small device that will evaluate the prospect of building larger lunar plants to extract propellant for spacecraft and breathable air for astronaut. The compact payload will need to extract 50 to 100 grams of oxygen from lunar regolith, targeting 70% extraction of all available oxygen within the sample. And it will have to do all this within a 10-day period, running on the solar power available within a single fortnight-long lunar day. The European Space Agency selected the Thales-led team, made up of several companies, following a detailed study last year and evaluating 3 rival designs. First of all, the European Space Agency wants to begin work on realizing in situ resource utilization demonstrator. And once the technology is proven using this initial payload, this approach will culminate in a full-scale plant in place on the Moon. The underlying concept has already been proven. Samples returned from the lunar surface confirmed that lunar regolith is made up of 40–45% oxygen by weight. The difficulty is that this oxygen is bound up chemically as oxides in the form of mineral or glass, so is unavailable for immediate use. However, a first prototype oxygen plant has been set up in the Materials and Electrical Components Laboratory. This plant employs an electrolysis-based process to separate simulated lunar regolith into metals and oxygen, key basic resources for long-term sustainable space missions. This was Space Daily News with Julia.